How can I prevent unexpected HVAC breakdowns? You can prevent most unexpected heating, ventilation, and air conditioning breakdowns by changing filters on time, keeping the equipment clean, and getting it checked by a professional before peak heating or cooling season. The easiest way to think about it is that your system is like a bike, and if the chain is dirty or the tires are low, it has to work harder and wears out faster. A dirty filter can block air, which makes the system overheat or freeze up, so replacing it regularly is one of the best habits you can build. It also helps to keep leaves, dust, and boxes away from the outside unit, so air can move around it freely. Another smart step is to listen for new sounds like rattling, buzzing, or squealing, because those can be early warning signs before a bigger problem happens. You should also check that your vents are open and not covered by furniture or rugs, since blocked airflow can strain the whole system. One thing many people do not know is that small drain line clogs can shut down a system even when everything else looks fine, because water has nowhere to go. The yearly tune-up can catch loose wires, low refrigerant, worn parts, and dirty coils before they turn into an expensive surprise. If you act early, you can usually fix little problems before they become a full breakdown. One common mistake is waiting until the system stops working before calling for help, because by then the repair is often bigger and more expensive. A better move is to schedule service when the system is still running and ask the technician to check for weak parts. Another mistake is changing the filter too rarely or buying the wrong size, and the tip is to use the exact size printed on the old filter and mark the replacement day on a calendar. People also forget that strange smells, short cycling, and weak airflow are not normal, even if the system still turns on, so do not ignore those signs. If the air starts feeling uneven from room to room, that can also point to a blockage or a failing part that should be looked at quickly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.